up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my brother's new fixed gear bike. So as you can see, I can't go outside and ride my bike because it's raining. So let's get into it. So now guys, we're going to review this bike. So this is a Jackal bike frame, aluminum frame, lightweight, easy to carry, and 22 inches handlebars. You're not going to believe me, but its frame is only 21 inches. Dang, that's long. My bike is only 15. Get a clip of that. Going back on, as you can see, you have great pedals, so you can put some pedal straps. And see this? This is an olive chain, exclusively for fixed gear. This is, on the other side, you can see, is a free wheel. Just like what I use. The tire is pretty, we need to change tire. The rims are not good enough. We're going to spray paint it. The spokes are tight enough, and no hand grips. Only front brake, no back brake. It's only rim brakes. This the lever. It's pretty hard to squeeze. And look at the stem. That's sick. Oh, cow. Saturn. And the headset is a little bit shaky. When you ride this, it's a little bit shaky. So, what the hell is this? Respect bikers. And so you can see the seat is a little bit like this high. And the cranks are so big, so that's why I can with my brother to bike race. So I think that's for all. Here we have some bottle cages and an aluminum fork and a Duro wheel. You see that? Duro wheel. And I think that's all. If you want to see me riding pegs, just comment down below. I've purchased a pegs here. I'm going to show you the clip of that. I think guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.